Hello friends, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. In this video I will explain custom exception or user defined exception. Java exception is used to customize the exception according to the user need. So I will give the example how we can create the custom exception or user defined exception. I will create a one class test custom exception. Click on finish. So here firstly we need to create the custom class my exception. We need to extend the exception. This class should be extended by the exception class. So we need to write the constructor to call the super class. Here I will pass parameter for message. Alright, so this class is ready to throw the custom exception, or we can use. So here we will use this is the custom exception. But keep in mind we need to extend this class. I am going to make this is the custom exception class, so we must be extended by the exception class, or we need to write the parameterized constructor, or we need to use the super keyword super class constructor. Right, try catch. So I will throw custom exception using throw keyword, throw new my exception. We can pass the message user defined exception. Any message we can pass. Also we have to handle my exception here. This is out exception occurred e dot get message. Now this class is ready to test the custom exception. Right, so here we have got the custom exception. We have created the class and extend by the exception, and we are using the my class. This class as we have as a exception class, so we can use anywhere this class to throw the custom exception as per the user need. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please comment, subscribe. Thanks.